For today's tea, we're going to need borage, lemon balm, and spearmint. Lemon balm helps reduce heart palpitations. It has a citrus aroma and it offers a mild sedating effect that can also promote sleep and calm anxiety. Did you know spearmint is commonly used in South American countries in teas to treat stress and insomnia? Spearmint also helps lower blood pressure, gives a natural relief from stress, and great for upset stomachs. Borage is known as a cooling, cleansing, and curative herb, which allows it to relieve inflammation and irritation. It is also known as an expectorant and, most importantly, an adaptogen, which means it's a non-toxic plant that is known to help the body resist stressors of all kinds, whether physical, chemical, or biological. Stress is unfortunately part of most people's lives, affecting our lives as well as our mind, body, and spirit's health. To truly understand stress and how to help alleviate its negative effects, one must look at life in a holistic perspective. We will have many things that can create the stress when thoughts come, and sometimes it can be helpful to have a cup of tea to help be present in your situation and to stop thinking and analyzing, because there is a difference between analyzing and understanding. One quote I really love is, "If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present." I decided last minute to add some rosemary just to help my mental clarity, and feel free to add it too. And I'm not saying I'm perfect, because even for me, it can be hard to remember in a time of stress. But reminders are nice, and it's a great starting place. And then add some honey or blackberry leaves to sweeten. Those are some natural sweeteners that taste good and are good for you. Remember, just because you have a bad day doesn't mean you have a bad life. It's a quote that really helps me get by in those times of struggle. Look at life as a whole. If you are alive, then you always have hope. Hope for appreciation of the now and the beautiful life that is there waiting for us to notice and to make the choices to do what we have to do in the moments. So take care of yourself. If you are feeling stress and anxiety, you can use this recipe and many others to help bring you back to the present. Calm your stress and give love to your body and yourself, so you can then give love to the world.